My name is Sebastian Härtner, and I'm part of the process development engineering organization at Electronics. Smart manufacturing is a new way of manufacturing using digitalization and modern technologies to improve efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability in production processes. This impacts many sectors, including the semiconductor industry. We use module type package to enable the integration of intelligent modules into our automation system without the need for any additional programming. AI plays a transformative role here for the semiconductor industry. With the support of AI and data, we can optimize processes and unlock the potential of vast real-time data collected during manufacturing. Fair data, so findable, accessible, interoperable, and readable data, you could call it also fully AI ready, enables us to have a deeper insight into our process behaviors, supported by data contextualization for better decision making. Cross-border data sharing helps us to understand the impact of process variations on the supply chain, so that we can enable the seamless adoption of new technologies and production methods among materials providers and chip manufacturers. An essential capabilities as the semiconductor industry evolves with rapid advancement in chip design and manufacturing. Currently, we are collaborating with other industry players such as Siemens and Intel on the modular plant concept, digital twins, and also on data semantics to leverage each other's strengths in data to foster the innovation with AI. By uniting our efforts, we can create a common understanding and framework that benefits all stakeholders, improves yields, and foster a more adaptive, competitive, and sustainable semiconductor ecosystem for the future.